Hello. Now I'm going to talk about international business management lectures, a summary, and greetings from Paris also. It was my first international business management lesson. This is why probably it comes to me a really mindful lesson because I really learned about the companies and how we should think about their technologies and the ideas and the techniques that because there are coming a lot of companies coming from zero to top and also they are doing the same things in a global way too, not in just national way. And this is why it means that this is a lot of different techniques. Also, we talked about how companies also be global than the national and how they decide that because it means that their also employees maybe have to be international and it means that there is a lot of way and this is how we should decide. It's really important. First thing, also we talk about as a group our at last lecture. We have to really go that place and give us a time and do us the research. Like now I'm going in a lot of countries. Now I'm at Paris, France. Before that I was at Amsterdam, then Berlin, and everywhere has a different culture. Even I can understand it just in one day. It means a different language, means different people, different culture, different tradition, and this is why we have to think about it. Maybe our product is really good in our country, but maybe it's not efficient for in another country, or maybe they don't need it, or maybe there's really high competition, really different their another company's own brand, and their people are just buying that one. This is why we really have a resource time, didn't do everything in a fast way, have to think in clearly because everything is depends on experience and time. Maybe if we fail like the Nokia or the Kodak or the another companies also it can be failed, but it means that it's that experience. Maybe we can do better way if we first fail, and this is why it's really important that giving time and learning things from experience is important for me. As I said, for my first lesson, I really like it, and I'm really looking forward to learning different company stories and their techniques. Especially, I haven't any idea about the Lego company, and I really like Lego things. And now I'm always looking and doing research about it, and this is why it was really mindful opening to me, and I really like the lessons. I really thanks for everything that you learned us and teach us. Thank you.